Alright, welcome back, Team Insanity, to Unboxing Nature with Toy Insanity. Got a great one today. Quite a surprise. I just caught a green grass snake. Snake Insanity 3. This is the third snake encounter this year. The first was the blind worm snake, which is the first time in my life I had ever seen one of those. The second was the rat snake, which I did not pick up. I knew it was non-venomous, but they can still bite you. They can bite you and it can get infected. But this is the green grass snake. They are non-venomous, obviously, but typically they will not even strike you. Pretty docile snake. But I haven't seen one of these in a while. And it's the first one I've seen since I started doing YouTube. And I never set out to catch cool snakes or bugs or anything like that. I'm just doing my daily toy vlogs and will sometimes encounter something cool. And I want to share it. I've seen these more in my life in the trees. They're very arboreal. They love to live up in the tree canopies. Despite being called grass snakes, they can climb trees quite well where they hunt insects. So I've seen a few in my lifetime that I couldn't have even caught if I wanted to. But I found this guy on the ground. It is possibly a female. The interwebs say the males have longer tails. This is a full-grown adult. I think it's probably about 20 inches long. But the tail would be measured from its beehole there. And I think this one's tail is only about a quarter the length of its total body. Man, this is cool. I have not come across one of these in a few years. Some kind of leaf. Well, this could be interesting. Dead end, buddy. They are diurnal. That means they're active during the day. Most snakes are, in fact, nocturnal. Yeah, he was just walking through. I said walking. He was just crawling. He or she was just crawling through the grass right in front of me. Man, that's cool. Love the color. Boop. Boop, boop. Well, I also saw some water snakes this year, but I wasn't going to be able to catch those. I want to focus on his head. A great snake. Look at that. All right. Well, at this point, I'm going to just let it jump down whenever it wants to. If you can see where my pinky is, that's the opening. So that's where the tail begins. Oh, it went back up on me. Look how it just blends in. All right, bonus footage. I took it back precisely to where I found it. It was crawling along the ground right in front of me, and then it hopped up into this plant. There he goes. He or she or it. Thumbs up, bye.